Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines and fair value gaps that we drew yesterday, and as you can see, Nifty did a very deep dive today from almost the top of the fair value gap and the support and the resistance that we had drawn, the top of this flat top. Now let's start our analysis for today. As usual, deleting all the lines and boxes that we drew yesterday. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. Nothing has changed. Nothing will change unless the low made in August is invalidated. So let's mark that level. The low, swing low made in August, that is 24,337. Let's mark it in green. The continuous line with a thicker line. And the big support is previous ATH. Let's mark it in red. 26,277. That's from where the big selling started. It tested that level once again, and then again the big sellers have come in. The optimistic factor here is whatever big sellers are doing, they are not ready to invalidate this area yet. So unless 24,337 is invalidated on a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Going over to the weekly time frame, it was bearish. It is still bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this is a low and this is another low, and this low is lower than the previous low. If you can look closer, this low, this high, I'm sorry, I just said low, that's wrong. This is lower high means bearish, so this high is lower than the previous high, so it is bearish, as simple as that. Are there any levels that need to be marked? There is a flat top, but I think that's the same in the daily time frame, so let's mark him in the daily time frame. Daily time frame, the bias is bearish. It is still bearish because a swing high, a lower high, and looks like he's making a lower high, and it can be validated only if this high is not tested tomorrow. So let's mark that level. This high needs to be protected for tomorrow. In fact, let's just leave this high and mark this high there. Yeah, so that is a high that needs to be, that's a confirmed swing high. So today's candle is not a swing high. It will be validated as a swing high only if tomorrow's candle does not touch today's high. So that's the area to be protected. I am not marking the fair value gaps and all and stuff because a lot of times it has been tested. I don't think it holds any value anymore. And if Nifty decides to come down, then the next target is on a daily time frame 24,571. Not marking anything down here. Well, I could mark this level. Okay, let me just mark this level. It's an interesting level. You see this red candle, I'm just taking the midpoint of the body of this red candle and drawing a line right. Okay, I didn't manage to click. Let me just, okay, and let me just draw a line here. It's an approximate level, but an important level. Let us say this could be the next important sub. 25,000 is 25,080. 25,080 could be an important level. But the final support is 25,000, 24,571. Let us see where Nifty goes tomorrow. Going over to the 4-hour time frame, it was bullish yesterday. but that bullish, this was a swing low, and this was a swing low that was to be protected. That is gone. Now let's see if we have a bearish bias. This was a swing high. That swing high was invalidated. So it is on 4-hour time frame. Nifty is not sure. Going over to the 1-hour time frame. Was bullish yesterday. That's gone because this low has been validated. Is there a bearish bias? I do not see a swing low. Lower low is not formed. So let me just say I misspelled not here. Yes. So let us see where Nifty goes tomorrow. Not pretty sure. So I have a higher limit and a lower limit. That's 26,000 and 26,010 and 25,080 upper and lower limits. Let's see which one's taken tomorrow, if something is indeed taken tomorrow. That's it for today. I'm not a certified analyst and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.